All right, in this video we are looking at the third reality check, signed fractions. So we have a competition barbecue club planning on making and selling barbecue aprons as a fundraiser. There will be adult-sized and a matching child-sized apron in each set. So each adult apron takes 2/3 of a yard, and each child's takes 1/2 of a yard. So how do we figure out how much is in a full set if we know an adult one takes 2/3, a child one takes 1/2? Well, we have to add those together, right? So that will tell us how much is in a full set, and I'm going to let you figure out that part. So one club member's family owns a fabric store. They can give a great deal on 5.5 bolts of outstanding fabric. Each bolt contains 15 yards of fabric. So we need to calculate the number of sets we can make. Well, first, don't we need to figure out how many yards that fabric has? So we know for every 5.5 bolts, we get 15 yards. So we get 15, 5 times plus 1/2 times. So what operation are we doing there? Well, we're going to be multiplying because we know every bolt has 15 yards. So we'll have 15 times 5.5. Okay, so that's how we're going to figure out how much total yards we're going to have, right? And this is how we figure out how many yards per set. So once you figure those two out, we need to figure out then in this problem the number of sets we can make from this fabric. So we know this is how much per set. We know this is the total number of yards. So I want you to think about that. How do you figure out how many of these sets you can make from these yards? Hopefully that gets you started. I don't want to tell you everything because it's good to think through this, but reach out if you're still confused, or you can even submit it and I can give you specific feedback on your assignment. Good luck.